Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of the International Recycling Week virtual conference. Today, the focus is on the plastics recycling sector, and we have an exciting program with a great lineup of speakers. Before we move on, we'd like to take a moment to recognize our sponsors for the plastics recycling vertical. We extend our heartfelt thanks to Veolia, the platinum sponsor at the event. We also extend our thanks to FAM Recycling, the silver sponsor at the event. I would now like to welcome Mr. Ronald Richa, the General Manager, Plastic Recycling at Veolia Middle East. He is currently structuring the plastic recycling ecosystem and associated services for Veolia in the UAE. Mr. Ronald has over 18 years experience working for Veolia in different positions and different countries. He holds a Bachelor of Water and Environmental Engineering and a Master of Science in Industrial Marketing. I invite Mr. Ronald Richa to deliver the opening address. Mr. Richa.
Good morning, Swaliha. Thank you very much for this introduction, and I'm really happy to be here with you today. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me to be part of the International Recycling Week. Plastic recycling represents a complex challenge across the entire plastic value chain. Stakeholders from petrochemical companies to brand owners and recyclers are taking actions with the willingness to develop a sustainable plastic recycling ecosystem. From a market perspective, the turnover of the global plastic market is estimated at 300 billion euros per year, whereas the market size of the recycled plastic can barely reach 20 billion euros per year. The recycling rate of plastic is still very low compared to other materials. The plastic recycling sector remains very fragmented and relatively immature, which is holding back recycling efficiency, quality, and profitability. The whole value chain of the plastic recycling needs to adjust its economic equilibrium, treatment capacities, and innovative technologies to embrace a new qualitative leap. It requires an urgent response to address the challenges linked to the low oil market price, the limited efficiency of the collection system, the negative perception of the consumer towards recycled packaging products, and last but not least, the lack of regulatory frameworks and standards restricting the intake of recycled plastic. However, manufacturers are starting to rethink their production methods. Demand for recycled plastic from large brand owners and industrial buyers is increasing, driven in some parts by sustainability targets, change of regulatory framework, and consumers' desire for environmentally friendly products. Forecasts predict that the market for recycled plastic is expected to grow by 7% per year by 2025, which is faster than what is expected for the virgin material. Veolia, the benchmark company in the ecological transformation, is deeply rooted in this collective action. We currently operate more than 200 material recovery facilities, 32 mechanical and 3 chemical recycling facilities, to produce more than 500,000 tons of plastic resin yearly. With this unmatched capability, our teams across the world work hand in hand with key players in the plastic industry. Together, we are reinventing the plastic market by making it more sustainable, from the delivery of high-quality recycled plastic resins to the eco-design of new, more sustainable products. To confirm this ambition, Veolia included plastic recycling in its business objectives, as we plan to significantly increase our turnover in this activity to reach 1 billion euros in 2025. Investing in technologies and recycling capabilities are key to improve the quantity and the quality of the recycled product. Nevertheless, a cost-efficient solution to collect recyclables at source remains fundamental to build a sustainable plastic recycling ecosystem. In the United Arab Emirates, Veolia has launched Recap. It's the first mobile application that provides a door-to-door collection service for recyclables, including plastic bottles and aluminum cans. With this free-of-charge service, environmentally friendly behaviors are encouraged by a system of points and vouchers. Major players from the whole value chain, such as Agdia Group, Borouge, Carrefour, Coca-Cola Company, Nestle, Unilever, and PepsiCo are supporting this initiative. Our journey is about collection, technological innovation, but most and foremost, a shift towards a sustainable business model. Decoupling the price of recycled resins from virgin plastic is key for the development of a healthy plastic recycling industry that produces quality products on the long term and that supports a growing demand. Since 2019, there are encouraging signs coming from the PET market as the price of the recycled food-grade PET resin started being decoupled from the fluctuation of the virgin resin and the oil price. This trend was made possible because of the environmental commitment taken by the brand owners and to increase their recycled content. At the same time, recyclers managed to provide high-quality products in line with the stringent specifications set by brand owners. This cooperation across different sectors of the value chain enabled the emergence of a sustainable PET recycling ecosystem with a business model that can be extended to other plastic resins. Ladies and gentlemen, plastic recycling is the cornerstone of today's ecological transformation. For this ecological transformation to succeed, players across the plastic value chain must join their efforts. It's a teamwork. Let's address it together. Thank you for your attention.